Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare PostgreSQL Visual Studio Code extensions. We'll dive into the core functionalities of two leading options, examining how they handle database connections, execute queries, and display results. Our goal is to help you understand their strengths and weaknesses so you can choose the best tool for your development workflow. We'll focus on practical aspects and user experience to guide your decision. The PostgreSQL extension by Microsoft provides a comprehensive suite of tools. It features an intuitive object explorer for easy navigation and robust connection management. You'll find intelligent SQL completion and syntax highlighting, making query writing much faster. Furthermore, it allows direct data viewing and editing within Visual Studio Code, significantly boosting your productivity for everyday database tasks. It's a solid choice for many users. Another excellent option is the PostgreSQL extension by Chris Lajoie. This extension is often praised for its lightweight design and incredibly fast query execution. It offers valuable features such as a detailed query history and efficient snippet management, which can save you significant time. With strong community support and consistent updates, it provides a reliable and agile experience for developers who prioritize speed and flexibility in their database interactions. Ultimately, deciding which PostgreSQL extension is better comes down to your personal preferences and project needs. If you value a comprehensive, integrated experience, the Microsoft extension might be ideal. However, if speed, a lightweight interface, and advanced query features are paramount, Chris Lajoie's extension could be your perfect fit. Both are powerful tools, and exploring each for a few days will help you determine which one aligns best with your development style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.